Hey everyone, Dr. Mary here. For today's adventure, we're going to Missouri. It's a small adventure, really, part of a much longer one. What happened was this. On one particular day, I was on my way to find the current center of population for the U.S., the exact center, when something caught my attention. Well, we'll go on that longer adventure soon, but today we're going to make a side trip and look at what I saw just off the road that day. I was walking down an unimproved county road in the middle of Missouri. I had a very pleasant walk. First I went down a hill. Next I walked across a low-water bridge over a fast-flowing, noisy creek. And then I started back up a steep bluff on the other side. At this point, where the black dot is on the map, I saw a small watercourse with a patch of brilliant green. Well, look at that! WaterCress! What a pleasant surprise! Often people see watercress in springs and spring branches, and they think it needs cold water to thrive. Actually, perhaps what watercress needs more is a constant temperature to the water it grows in. But how can this plant find a constant temperature in a region known for having 4 seasons? It's because rock at depth has a constant temperature. That is, in the ground beneath our feet, in rock, temperature variations smooth out with distance from the surface. Spring waters, coming from deep underground, have the temperature of the rock it flows out of. For the same reason, caves have a constant temperature too. This constant temperature of rock underground at a location is also the annual mean temperature of the area. So in Missouri, that's about 13 degrees Celsius, or about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why the few caves in Minnesota are colder than those in Missouri, and the huge caves in Central America are quite warm. Now, back to watercress. Watercress is in the cabbage family. Related to mustard, radish, and wasabi, watercress is a flavorful addition to soups and salads. It's pretty spicy. It can be grown commercially. It's grown in the United Kingdom commercially and can be found in some supermarkets there. Watercress is quite perishable, so you won't find it available everywhere. Remember, just as we wouldn't ever drink untreated spring water because of likely contamination, wild watercress should not be eaten without having been washed and sanitized first. So what's the big deal about seeing watercress? I mean, it was nice to see such a healthy patch of it, but since the plant thrives in water of constant temperature, such as that you'd find in springs, then to see watercress in a stream would tend to suggest that that watercourse is a spring branch. Remember, I was just about to start up a steep bluff when I saw the watercress. So, following the water upstream, we might find the source of the water is a spring at the base of that bluff, and perhaps we would even find a cave. Ooh, a cave! Well, trespassing to find out isn't ever an option, even for this erstwhile cave explorer. And besides, it was time to find that initial objective, the current exact center of U.S. population. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, travel well.